Hi everyone, this is Mitali, Marketing Manager at KeDx Dental. KeDx 2.0 is here and we are stepping into something truly extraordinary. I am delighted to welcome you all at the official speaker lineup reveal. Today, I am joined by Dr. Mukul Jain, founder, CEO and partner at KeDx Dental, and Mr. Prithvi Kakkar, CEO and partner at KeDx Dental. Together, they represent the vision behind KeDx. So come on, let us begin the unveiling.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mukul Jain, a pediatric and preventive dentist, founder, CEO and partner at KeDx Dental.
Hi, this is Prithvi Kakkar, certified dental technician, CEO, partner at KeDx Dental LLP.
It gives us great pleasure to introduce our distinguished speakers from around the world for KeDx 2.0.
Each of them has made valuable contributions to clinical practice, research, innovations, and education.
To begin this distinguished line of speakers, a leading force in pediatric endodontics and microscope-assisted dentistry, let us welcome Dr. Antonina Getzman from Russia.
Adding strength to this exceptional gathering, a distinguished pediatric dentist, academic leader, educator, and researcher, we have with us Dr. Anas Al-Salami from Dubai.
A name that requires no introduction. She is a renowned pediatric dentist, author, and educator with more than 35 years of clinical expertise, inspiring generations through her work in the field of minimally invasive dentistry and child-centered pediatric dentistry. Let us welcome our very own Dr. Meenakshi Kher from India, a pediatric dentist and an expert in the field of dental traumatology and restorative dentistry. She is the winner of Professional Skills Championship in Dental Restoration After Trauma. Let us welcome Dr. Margarita Mazuruk from Russia.
A dynamic pediatric dentist, certified orofacial myology specialist, an international educator specializing in pediatric airway-centered care and sleep health. We have with us Dr. Mihir Shah from India.
A renowned and respected endodontist, a pioneer in the field of regenerative endodontics and vital pulse therapy, with internationally recognized research and an expert in the field of dental traumatology. Let us welcome Dr. Ajay Logani from India.
Continuing this global exchange of knowledge, an international speaker with extensive expertise in biomimetic and minimally invasive dentistry. We have with us Dr. Rocio Lazo from Spain.
Our next speaker is a well-known name in the field of digital dentistry, clear aligners, and orthodontics. With more than 15 years of clinical experience, let us welcome Dr. Karthik Dholakia from India.
7 global experts, 1 stage, 1 vision.
KeDx 2.0, where knowledge meets excellence and excellence meets legacy.
We look forward to welcoming you at the Leela Palace, Bengaluru for KeDx 2.0.